Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming margins and border placement so printing has space. Open Layout, check margins and choose a setting that leaves at least 0. 5. Printable area, then go to Design Page Borders. Set the border style, width and color, and make sure Apply To is set to the whole document or the current section you want. Once done, preview with Print Preview to see whether the border sits inside the printable area before moving to Printer Adjustments. Next, you fix scaling and printer settings because printers often clip edges. Go to File Print, confirm the correct printer and paper size. Open Printer Properties and disable any fit to page or borderless scaling options that change document margins. Set scaling to 100% or actual size. If your printer supports borderless printing, enable it only if you intended full bleed borders. Once applied, run a single test print to verify the border appears correctly on paper. To finish, you ensure borders persist across sections, and if needed, apply workarounds. Insert section breaks where layout changes and set page borders per section so each area prints as intended. If Word still clips edges, save the document as a PDF and print the PDF. Printers sometimes honor PDFs more accurately. Make sure drivers are up to date. Enable borderless printing if appropriate, or reduce border width and move the border slightly inward so it falls inside the printer's printable.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.